Hello Mustangs, welcome back to Mustang News. I'm Caroline.
And I'm Andres. And this week we'll learn about the food drive that the Student Council is putting on.
Recap on Halloween.
And we will also introduce the Spanish elective.
Go on a field trip, weigh some backpacks, and learn a little bit more on sleep.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be talking about the 21 for 2021 food drive. Basically, it's a goal that every ACE is going to try and raise at least $21 to donate food to the Central Texas Food Drive. $1 equals 4 meals, and we're trying to raise 3,200 meals. Hope you guys will donate.
Thanks.
Remember to bring money for the food drive.
Let's learn about our Spanish elective here at O. Henry.
Hola, yo soy Señor Miguel, el maestro español. Michael Yurkovich, Spanish teacher at O. Henry. This is my first year at O. Henry and really enjoy it. I would say the big difference between Spanish 1 and 2 is that Spanish 2 moves a lot faster, and students are supposed to have remembered everything from Spanish 1. That's not always the case, and the pandemic definitely made Spanish 1 a lot harder for students. So this year I've been doing a lot of catch up and review, but I really enjoyed both classes. I think I enjoy Spanish 1 because introducing people to the language and culture, but I enjoy Spanish 2 because it's more advanced and usually work with the same students. Before coming to O. Henry, I was a graduate student here in Texas for the past 3 years, but before that I taught in California for 5 years. And it's really hard to say what the differences are because in California I taught elementary school, high school, and 7th grade dual immersion. So it's just about connecting with the students. It's not just the material, it's making sure you have a positive relationship with them is what I've noticed, and doing what I can to get them interested in Spanish. And yeah, that's about it.
Kids carry on backpacks all day.
And a lot of kids complain about the weight.
Let's see how much they weigh.
How much do you think your backpack weighs?
Like 15 pounds.
I think it might weigh 10 pounds.
Like at least 20 pounds.
I think my backpack weighs 10 pounds. I think my backpack weighs 11 pounds. I think mine weighs about 20 pounds.
It looks like 6 or 7 pounds.
Let's go on a field trip.
Hello on Harry Mustang. It's Friday and we're going to bowling.
Bowling alley. Proper footwear.
This is how we roll to the goal. Thanks for watching and have a nice weekend.
And now let's meet Miss Jeffrey.
How long have you been at Henry?
I have been at O. Henry for 22 years.
What's your job?
For a long time I was a teacher, but now I'm a teaching assistant, so I get to spend all of my time working with students and helping them be successful.
Do you have any advice for students?
Be sweet, be yourself, don't be afraid of people who are different from you, and share your snacks.
The internet says you can't eat 6 saltines in under a minute.
We put that to the test.
Oh,
Sorry.
not cool. I'm straight, 6 at once.
Oh God!
Try not to make a mess.
One at a time.
I'm trying! Feedback is on the line. 3 seconds.
You're playing video games on the line.
Oh my God. Okay.
Okay. You guys ever tried?
Just like Itachi did with the
I'm just gonna start.
Now what the master's gonna think about this? It's stuck on the back of my throat.
Just swallow it.
Good morning, Henry. I hope you had a great first week of November. And to recap, on Wednesday, we had rainfall about 10 to 12 hours, and we accumulated about 1 to 2 inches of rain. But for today, we're going to have a high of 66 degrees and a low of 42. The weekend, it's going to warm up to the 70s again, but then by the middle of next week, we're going to see highs in the 80s, from 81 to maybe 83. But after Wednesday and Thursday, we are going to see temperatures decrease back down to the low and mid 70s. And I like weather.
7th grade science dissects a chicken wing.
We do dissections because we're studying the human body, and these dissections go along with what we're looking at in class. For instance, our chicken wing here that we'll be cutting up soon goes with the skeletal and muscular system, so we actually get to see the structures that we're studying in class.
How much work is it for you?
You know, the biggest work is the cleanup for all of us, making sure, especially like handling raw chicken, we got to make sure we clean things thoroughly and well. So that's the biggest challenge, just cleaning up after, really.
What are we dissecting next?
I believe we are going to be dissecting the sheep heart next when we do the circulatory system in a few weeks.
Now for a student work highlight. Make it a great day to be an O. Henry Mustang.